can happen, you know. Especially if they get the numbers. Maybe the 2025 senatorial elections is very significant because it's one way of being able to get the numbers. So, if the Filipino people are agreeable in the direction towards impeaching the president or the vice president, maybe they will elect senators that will support that initiative. But if the people feel that the impeachment is not the direction that we should take, maybe they will elect senators who are against it. Diba? The reason why they are dilly-dallying because they are not sure that they have the numbers in the